Malls. The Sound of M. Look, she has her shopping bags right here. She's ready to shop at the mall. I made a map of the mall. Look at this. This says map of the mall. And she has a mall, all the stores numbered. So number 1 is clothes. Number 2, shoes. Number 3 is the pet store. Number 6, oh, we gotta find 4 first. There's 4. 4 is the toy store. 5 is the bookstore. 6 is food. And 7, movies. So she made a map of her mall. That's pretty good there. The map of the mall shows us where to go. Look, she's deciding where to go first. The map of the mall shows us where the clothes are. So she knows where the clothes store is. Like these shelves up here. The map of the mall shows us where the shoes are. Lots of different shoes. The map of the mall shows us where the pets are. See in there, there's some fish. The map of the mall shows us where the toys are. Look at all those different types of toys. It says ABC right there. The map of the mall shows us where the books are. Wow, look at that neat bookstore. Can you imagine that there's 26 letters in the alphabet, and of all the books that are written with 26 letters, it's just amazing. The map of the mall shows us where the food is. See? It says food court. Go there and get your favorite food at the mall. There's a fork and a knife. The map of the mall shows us where the movies are. It's nice to go to the movies in the mall. Must be 3D because he has his 3D glasses on. The map of the mall shows us where to go. There's a big mall. It has one floor here, another floor here, and another floor up here, and even up here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. That's a big mall. Word list for M. Made, mall, map, movies. The Sound of M. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.